This meat pie design is simply different and beautiful with a twist. It is simply unique. You guys, who says meat pies have to be smooth? The design on it makes it unique. That is why I call it designer's meat pies. So watch till the end to see how I made this. Hello lovelies, let's get started. First, you want to cook your chicken. I'm using chicken breast. I cut into bite sizes, transfer in my pan, add seasoning powder, chopped onions, salt and water. I'm going to cover and allow it to cook for 8 minutes. 8 minutes later, the chicken has cooked very well. I'm going to scoop it out and allow it to cool down before shredding. I'm going to do that off camera and we'll be back shortly. This is how it looks after shredding. I'm going to set it aside. To make the filling, I will add little amount of oil in a pan and allow it to heat up. Next, I will add my chopped onions and fry for a while to release the fragrance. I'm going to add my shredded chicken, some diced potatoes, carrots and sweet pepper. Add seasoning powder, paprika powder. Mix very well to combine and add 1 tablespoon of flour. Add little water to enable the potatoes to soften. I'm going to cover and allow it to cook on a medium heat for 6 minutes. 6 minutes later, I will give it a good mix and it's ready. I'm going to set it aside and begin to work on my dough. In a bowl, I've got 6 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of butter. I'm going to mix to achieve a crumbly texture. Once that is done, I will add cold water bit by bit until it forms a dough. Once that is done, I will divide the dough into 2, cover half with cling film and set aside. I'm going to start working on the pies. I will cut the dough into chunks so that it will be easy for me to work with. I will go ahead and roll out the dough, trim the edges to get a cleaner shape. I will use my knife to create a pattern as demonstrated in the video. Add the filling, seal it, and that is it. I'm going to continue the process until I am done. Once that is done, I will egg wash and transfer in my preheated oven and bake until done. At this time, our designer's chicken pie is ready. It turned out really delicious and I hope you give it a try. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye!